Dnyanadeep Academy, India's top coaching institution for civil services preparation. Join us online to get most enriching experience from best faculty with excellent notes and specially designed courses. To join the batch, download Dnyanadeep Academy app from Google Play Store. For more information, contact 9511 280 465.
Hello friends, welcome you all to Dnyanadeep Academy's daily answer writing challenge. Today's question number 1. Re-establishment of water cooperation and developing new long-term policies for flood management is the burning need for both India and Nepal. Comment. So basically this particular question talks about few important dimensions. We have divided these dimensions into locus and focus. So what are these dimensions? First, what is locus? Indo-Nepal water relationship is the locus. See, we are not talking about social relations, economic relations, historical, geographical, strategic, no relation. We are here specifically talking about Indo-Nepal water relationship, and it is need of India and Nepal to focus urgently on this water relationship for better flood management. It is need, and also they have said categorically, they have mentioned it specifically that it is need for both India as well as Nepal. So locus is Indo-Nepal water relationship is the locus, and what is the focus? Need for cooperation. Why there is need for cooperation? This must be mentioned in 35 to 40 words. Then what are various long-term policies that must be designed by India and Nepal? What are the areas in water cooperation where India and Nepal should work thoroughly and wholeheartedly, and how it will help in management of flood? These are the 3 important points of focus in this question. We'll try to unravel, we'll try to understand this question in a simple language. See, start answer with recent flood disasters in both India and Nepal and how it affected both the countries and why it is necessary, why it has been a need to have proper cooperation between India and Nepal on water sharing, water disaster. So, need for flood management must be stressed while explaining these recent mishaps and recent issues on Indo-Nepal border. Then, need of cooperation in which areas where long-term policies are needed. The areas are data exchange, water sharing, early information, water treaties, disaster preparedness, helping each other countries. Work on long-term policies in reaction to flood management as well as other areas affecting flood management must be discussed by India and Nepal so that they can have fruitful result in the days to come. So this is first question. Then question number 2. Switching to electric vehicles means subsidizing a small affluent section of the car-owning population. Basically, this question has a negative tone about electric vehicle policy of the government of India. Write your views and also discuss the possible alternatives to fossil fuel available. So, always remember, whenever these kinds of questions are asked, they want your view in the flow of the question. So you should not start no, electric vehicles are very, very important for disaster management, for climate change, for global warming. No, you have to focus for some extent on how the question is negatively looking at the question, because yes, it is also one of the point. It is one of the way to think in this manner. So you have to focus on this side also. So remember, locus, financial negative dimension of electric vehicle is the locus, means why or how the financial negative aspect of this electric vehicle policy is affecting. Focus, negatives of subsidizing electric vehicle, benefits of subsidizing electric vehicle, and alternatives to fossil fuel. So these 3 are the important focuses which you have to focus, means how and why it is focusing more and more negatives of subsidizing electric vehicles. Flow of the question should be maintained. As I said, don't take a very harsh reaction, don't take a 180-degree reaction. Explain how electric vehicle policy will help affluent few and will lead to neglect of larger question of mass rapid transit system like metros and all those things, how it will be neglected. Another part must explain necessity to have electric vehicle in your mobility policy. This must be explained. So these are the two important parts. Now, third important part in this question is alternatives to fossil fuel, and many of you do not know what are various alternatives available to fossil fuel. So I request every one of you to mug up the points that I am saying, which are very, very important for your answer. So propane can be alternative to fossil fuel, natural gas, that is CNG, compressed natural gas, electric hybrid vehicles are there, hydrogen fuel cells are there, biodiesel is there, ethanol, methanol, butanol is there, vegetable and waste derived oils are there. So this is very interesting type of question where at one time you have been asked to write about 2 to 3 dimensions. Then it is a skill how to compress your answers in those minimum words, and based on these writing skill you will be able to come out with flying colors and score very good marks. So that's all from my side. Keep watching and sharing the videos. Thank you. Have a good day.
Dnyanadeep Academy, India's top coaching institution for civil services preparation. Join us online to get most enriching experience from best faculty with excellent notes and specially designed courses. To join the batch, download Dnyanadeep IAS Academy app from Google Play Store. For more information, contact 9511 280 465.